Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can import my presets into the Lightroom mobile app. It's really easy to do, so just follow along and let's get started. So at this point, you've already purchased my presets, and now you've received an email that has a zip file attached to it with all the content inside. So what you want to do is just download that file and then click on it. From here, it'll open it up, and then at the bottom, you can kind of see where it says preview content. You want to click on that, and then you can see that all of the presets are here, as well as a little document that kind of tells you about my presets and editing tips, etc. So that is basically everything that is contained in this little file. There's 4 presets total. And now we're going to get into the fun stuff, how to import these into your Lightroom mobile app. So what you want to do is click that little icon in the bottom left-hand corner, and then a bunch of other icons will pop up. You want to scroll until you find the Lightroom mobile icon. Then you want to click on it, and now Lightroom Mobile will launch on your phone, so make sure you already have it downloaded in order to complete this process. From here, you can see that the DNG file at the very bottom, it's the last photo, has now been imported. We're going to repeat this process with the other 3 presets. So again, click on the little icon, scroll over, click on the Lightroom app, it'll open it up, and now this preset has been opened, Golden Girl. They're labeled, so it's nice and easy for you guys to tell which one it is. And now we have 2 more remaining. Next we're doing Pastel Pop, clicking on that icon and importing it into the Lightroom mobile app. And finally, importing West Coast, swiping over, clicking on that Lightroom app. It's pretty simple. So now all these are in here, and each photo is containing information on how it was edited. So these are already pre-edited photos with the presets on them. Lightroom makes it a little bit tricky, so bear with me, but you want to click on this picture, and then you want to go up to those little 3 dots in the top right-hand corner, and you want to click on that. From there, you want to scroll down and click Copy Settings. So it's a little bit backwards, but you're basically copying the preset settings that are on this photo, and then we're going to be applying them to a photo that isn't already edited. So I'm going to choose this one right here, going up to the top corner again. This time we're going to click Paste Settings. Now the preset has been applied, and from here you can do little adjustments in this bottom scroll bar that you can use to add different features to your photo. Here I'm just going to amp up the exposure because I felt like the photo was a little bit dark. But here you can see the before and after. It looks amazing. I love this edit. Pastel Pop is probably my favorite out of all the presets. But yeah, and you can see at the bottom in the toolbar, there are so many different adjustments you can make to color and to exposure, temperature, everything. You can make it really warm, but that's not really my style. But you can basically edit everything. Just play around with it. There's so many possibilities that you can do on this Lightroom app. So now we're going to do another photo just to kind of show you again the process. This time I'm going to do West Coast, so I copied the preset settings, and now we're going to paste it onto a photo that we want. I'm going to choose this photo right up here. Then we're going to just paste those settings. And as you can see, we look orange. This can sometimes happen with iPhone photos. So what I like to do is go to the color orange, then I just take the saturation and drop it down. This just makes it look a little bit more natural, but like I said, this can sometimes happen with iPhone photos, and my presets are very colorful. But as you can see, before and after, love the way this edit looks. So super simple, guys. Just make sure you already have the Lightroom mobile app downloaded before you begin this process, or else it won't work. You have to have the app on your phone prior to downloading these presets. But you're getting these 4 presets right here. And yeah, so now I'm going to just do some quick editing. You can kind of just watch what I do. I'm not going to explain these couple steps, but you can just kind of see a little bit more on what I do from a normal day-to-day basis. These presets are amazing. I use them all the time, and that's what I use in my feed. I mainly shoot on a DSLR, so I do the majority of my editing on the computer, but for the occasional on-the-go photo when I'm traveling or out and about, it's so nice to have these on my phone that I can just pop a preset on really quickly, and then I'm good to go. I can post it instantly, and it looks great. And these presets are the exact presets that I use on my computer. There's just a couple minor adjustments, so they're a little bit more iPhone friendly. But other than that, they are literally the exact same that I'm using on my computer. So I hope it wasn't too confusing of a video for you today. I know it can be difficult, especially when people are new to this form of editing, but presets are truly amazing. There's so many capabilities with them. And if you guys are confused at all, feel free to shoot me a DM or send me an email. I'm always here at your disposal, and I would love to answer all of your questions. Hope you found today's video helpful, and I'll see you later.